Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making easy American grilled barbecue chicken drumsticks, smoky, sticky, juicy, and perfect for a simple cookout at home. This recipe serves 4 and takes about 45 minutes from start to finish. Ingredient walkthrough: 3 pounds chicken drumsticks are the hearty base, and drumsticks stay juicy and forgiving on the grill. 2 tablespoons olive oil help the seasoning cling and encourage the chicken skin to brown. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar adds a little tang that balances the sweet barbecue glaze. 2 tablespoons packed brown sugar bring gentle sweetness and help create caramelized edges. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika gives the drumsticks that classic backyard barbecue color and smoky aroma. 1 teaspoon garlic powder adds savory depth without any chopping. 1 teaspoon onion powder rounds out the dry seasoning with mellow sweetness. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the chicken all the way through the first bite. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper adds a light heat and a savory finish. 1 cup barbecue sauce is the sticky American-style glaze, so use one you already love. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley add a final fresh color contrast to the smoky glaze. Begin the prep by patting 3 pounds of chicken drumsticks very dry with paper towels so the seasoning sticks and the skin browns instead of steaming. Now that the chicken is dry, make the seasoning paste in a clear bowl with 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons packed brown sugar, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. Stir the mixture for about 30 seconds, until the oil, vinegar, sugar, and spices become a thick red paste with no dry pockets. Add all 3 pounds of chicken drumsticks to the bowl and turn them until every piece is coated in that smoky seasoning paste. Let the coated drumsticks rest at room temperature for 10 minutes while the seasoning starts to soak in and the grill heats. While the chicken rests, preheat the grill to medium heat, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and set it up with 1 hotter direct heat side and 1 cooler indirect heat side. Place the seasoned drumsticks on the direct heat side of the grill, leaving a little space between each piece so the heat can circulate. Grill the first side for 5 minutes with the lid open or slightly closed, until you see clear grill marks and the chicken releases easily. Turn each drumstick and grill the second side for another 5 minutes, building color before we move into slower cooking. Move the drumsticks to the indirect heat side, close the lid, and cook for 15 minutes, turning once halfway through so they cook evenly without burning. Once the chicken is mostly cooked, brush 1/2 cup barbecue sauce over the drumsticks, coating the tops and sides with an even glossy layer. Close the lid and grill for 5 minutes so that first layer of sauce thickens and turns sticky instead of tasting raw. Turn the drumsticks again and brush on the remaining 1/2 cup barbecue sauce, making sure the bare spots are covered. Continue grilling over indirect heat for 5 to 7 minutes, until the glaze is shiny, the edges are lightly charred, and the thickest part of the chicken reaches at least 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the cooked drumsticks to a clean plate and let them rest for 5 minutes, then sprinkle with 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley to close the cooking. And there it is, easy American grilled barbecue chicken drumsticks, smoky, sticky, and juicy just like we promised at the start. Serve them hot with corn, potato salad, or a simple green salad, and enjoy a low-stress backyard dinner for 4. If you liked this recipe, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy home cooking.